G'day mates. I know many of you struggle breathing during sleep, and although CPAP is the gold standard treatment, for many of you, it's just not an option. You tried it, you hate it, and that's just the way it is. So today I'll share a few tips that will make breathing and sleeping easier if you have sleep apnea, but you can't wear a mask. Number one, you need to sleep in an upright, inclined position. Now, the most expensive but most convenient way is with an adjustable bed frame. Yeah, hit a button, up she comes. A more affordable option is something like this, a wedge pillow, $70. An even more affordable option for the handyman, a couple of pieces of wood under your bed frame. Number two, you need to stay off your back. Sleeping supine is the worst sleeping position for snoring and sleep apnea, and there's a few little products that can help. I'll put some links in the description down below. Little backpacks, noodles, one called Night Shift. There's a few options for you. Number three, we need to improve breathing and airflow. Hostage tape, yeah. Check it out. They make some great mouth tape also. Like, peel them off. Nasal breathing, so important. Also helps remove blackheads. Wow, it really does just springboard your nostrils open. How good is that? Clean house today. You're gonna laugh at this one. You have no idea how many people use this. It's a soft cervical collar. When we sleep, a lot of the time what we do is this. Yeah, we squash our chin in and compress everything. Have a look at this. You don't want to wear it too tight, but look at this. See what it does there? I can't do that. I can't press it down anymore. And it just stretches everything out. Someone's calling me. Sorry, mate, not today. It's Friday. Don't answer calls on Fridays. Right, just stretches everything out. And it's surprisingly comfortable to sleep with as well. I won't lie down right now. $10. Now, these here are called Mandibular Advancement Devices, MADs, and they stop your jaw from falling back and compressing your airway. Similar to this in some ways, a little bit more expensive. This one here is manufactured by Somnomed. You visit a dentist, they do a scan, send it away, precision milled, perfect fit, very expensive. Cost about the same as a CPAP machine. If you're not sure if a MAD will be suitable for you, if you'll enjoy wearing it, if it will work, you might opt for a more affordable option by airway management called MyTap. And you make this yourself. Boil up some water, boil and bite, like so. And it has this little part here on the end, which you can screw to bring your jaw more forward. And last of all, there's a few things you can do before you hop into bed that will make a huge difference to your breathing and your sleeping. Number one, it's difficult, but if you can do it, it's a game changer. Don't eat or drink 3 hours prior to bed. If you're someone who gets up and goes to the toilet a lot, nocturia, try that. If you're getting heartburn, digestion requires a lot of energy. And when you're lying down, ready to go to bed, you don't want your body working on digesting food. It takes a long time. You want to just lie down and focus on going to sleep. So try that one. Number two, nice warm shower before bed.
Just like the ones I used to know.
And a sinus rinse. Just clears everything out, makes it much easier to breathe through your nose. It will dilate everything. It will help. And last of all, don't let your bedroom temperature get too cold. Cold air causes congestion, shrinking of the nasal passages. That's why CPAP is so damn good, because it's got the heated humidifier and the heated tube. Nice, warm, humid air. Just opens everything up, makes it much easier to breathe. Anyway, thanks for watching. A couple of tips for you there. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, guys, sleep well, look after your mates, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, bye.